Welcome to the Travel Excursion channel. Today we're diving into one of Puerto Rico's most vibrant gems, Humacao. This is where sparkling ocean, lively culture, and unforgettable food come together. From golden beaches to ancient ruins, Humacao is a blend of adventure and tradition. Settle in as we explore the top 12 must-visit spots in Humacao. You won't want to miss a moment. Palmas del Mar is more than just a resort. It's a coastal wonderland where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace for your days. Nestled along Puerto Rico's sun-kissed southeastern shore, this vibrant community offers a unique blend of luxury, adventure, and relaxation. The heart of Palmas del Mar beats in its vibrant community vibe. Picture yourself savoring fresh seafood at a waterfront restaurant, the salty breeze mingling with laughter and the clinking of glasses. Every day here feels like a celebration of life's finest pleasures. Whether you're perfecting your swing on lush oceanfront fairways or indulging in exquisite cuisine at a seaside restaurant, there's always something to delight your senses and lift your spirits. Or maybe you prefer to simply soak up the sun, lounging on soft sands, or relaxing under the shade of swaying palm trees with friends. Palmas del Mar isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle. With its breathtaking views, welcoming community, and endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation, it truly is your gateway to the good life. Ready to experience wild beauty like never before? Welcome to the Humacao Nature Reserve, a hidden gem on Puerto Rico's eastern coast where nature's wonders unfold at every turn. Here, the landscape is a vibrant tapestry of lush forests, winding waterways, and tranquil lagoons, all teeming with life and adventure. The Humacao Nature Reserve is a true haven for outdoor lovers and explorers of all ages. Glide silently across glassy lagoons by kayak, weaving through tunnels of mangroves that arch overhead and create a magical shaded canopy. Along the way, keep your eyes peeled for the reserve's incredible wildlife. Watch elegant herons stalking the shallows, iguanas basking lazily on sun-warmed rocks, and turtles gliding gracefully through crystal-clear waters. If you're lucky, you might even spot a gentle manatee surfacing for air, a rare and unforgettable sight that makes every visit unique. These gentle giants are just one of the many surprises that await in this wild paradise. Every twist and turn in the path reveals something new: vivid tropical flowers blooming in the undergrowth, colorful birds flitting between branches, and peaceful water views that invite you to pause and soak in the serenity. Punta Santiago Beach is classic Puerto Rico with a twist. Here, the sun shines bright over endless stretches of golden sand, and the gentle breeze carries the scent of salt water and tropical blooms. Turquoise waters lap at the shore, while swaying palms offer shade to beachgoers. But what truly sets Punta Santiago apart are the local food kiosks lining the beach, serving up crispy empanadillas stuffed with savory fillings and ice-cold coconut water straight from the shell. The vibe here is laid back but lively, with families building sandcastles, kids splashing in the shallows, and groups of friends laughing and listening to music. The air is filled with the sounds of salsa and reggaeton, blending with the laughter of locals and visitors alike. Come for the beach, stay for the food, and leave with a big smile. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, Punta Santiago Beach offers something special for everyone. This is the true taste of Humacao, a place where every meal is a memory, every sunset is a spectacle, and every visit feels like coming home. Cayo Santiago, or Monkey Island, is home to a unique colony of rhesus monkeys. You can't set foot on the island, but boat tours bring you close to watch these playful creatures in action. The research here is world-renowned, and seeing monkeys in their natural habitat is unforgettable. Cayo Santiago proves Humacao is where science, nature, and history meet. Step into history at Casa Roig Museum, a masterpiece by Antonin Nechodoma. The house's bold design and vibrant colors reflect Puerto Rico's spirit. Inside, rotating exhibits showcase local art and culture. Every visit connects you to the island's creative past and present. Architecture and art lovers, this is a must-see. Enter the rare Pterocarpus forest, where a boardwalk winds above a mystical swamp. Towering trees, unique wetlands, and a hush broken only by birdsong await. Sunbeams filter through the canopy, painting everything green. This ecosystem is home to plants and animals found nowhere else on the island. Take your time. Every step is a new discovery. Nature's magic is alive here. Plaza de Humacao is the town's vibrant heart. Festivals, markets, and live music fill the square, framed by colorful colonial buildings. Mornings bring fresh fruit and crafts. Afternoons buzz with laughter and coffee. The sense of community is strong. Everyone feels welcome. Strike up a conversation and leave with a new friend or a great tip. Every visit is unique and unforgettable. Step back in time at the Buena Vista ruins, remnants of a 19th-century sugar mill. Walk among crumbling walls and rusted gears as nature reclaims the site. Guided tours bring the sugar industry's history to life. It's a place for reflection and a photographer's dream. Punta Icacos offers sweeping ocean views and a historic lighthouse. Climb to the top for panoramic vistas and legendary sunsets. Locals gather here for picnics, fishing, and family fun. The lighthouse is a perfect backdrop for photos or quiet reflection. Sometimes the journey is just as beautiful as the destination. Aguacate Beach is paradise for those seeking peace and quiet. Clear, shallow waters and a tranquil shoreline make it perfect for swimming or snorkeling. It's rarely crowded, just you, the sand, and the sea. Pack a picnic, bring a book, and let time slow down. Sometimes the best days are the simplest ones. The Humacao Art Walk is a burst of creativity on every corner. Murals tell stories of the town's past, present, and dreams. Festivals and pop-up events fill the streets with music, food, and interactive art. Walking here, you feel Humacao's vibrant heartbeat. Bring your camera and let yourself be inspired. Palmas Athletic Club is where Humacao comes to play and connect. Top-notch facilities, tennis, swimming, golf, and a spa welcome everyone. The energy is infectious, with games, classes, and friendly faces everywhere. Join a tournament or just relax after a workout. Here, you're part of the Humacao family. That's 12 unforgettable reasons to fall in love with Humacao. Whether you crave adventure, food, history, or beaches, this town has it all. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite spot in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and feeding your curiosity.